What's up, everybody? I wasn't really gonna record, but I decided to turn on the camera because this truck in front of me carrying this trailer was like all over the road. Of course, when I start recording, he stops. That's just how it is. He was going like 20 over the speed limit and was like, he kept swerving into the oncoming lane. I was like, uh-oh, this isn't gonna be good, but I don't know, it looks like he's good now, of course. Right over there is where I got pulled over the other day in my Camaro for having a tinted license plate cover. Yeah, that was dumb. I got a ticket. I'm so upset. My court date's like right before Halloween. I don't know. Hopefully it's a ticket I can just pay online, or I don't know. Hopefully it's not much. I'm scared. What if it's a lot of money? That was dumb. God, I hate people. I swear every time I go through that four-way, something happens. Anyway, so the tinted license plate cover thing, I'm kind of upset because like he did pull me over once before for it, and I was like, oh, I didn't know that was illegal. All right, whatever. It's not even that tinted. Like, the only reason he knew it was tinted was because there was another car beside me without one, and you could like kind of tell the difference. But just looking at it, no, it's still like super legible. It's not like it's hard to read or anything. It wasn't a dark tint. But he stopped me and I was like, yeah, man, I'll take it off, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So he got me again with it. And I was like, I normally only have it on at car shows, and there was a car show last night, and there was, and I forgot to take it off. I was at my friend's house. I forgot about it. That's my fault. So he goes back, like 5 minutes go by. I'm like, yeah, he's writing a ticket. I already know. I could tell by the way he came up to the car the second time. I was like, that's the same cop. For one, it's the only cop in like this whole state who cares about a tinted license plate cover. I see them everywhere around here. Like, no one else cares except for this dude. But of course he pulls me over, I get a ticket, yada yada. So yeah, that's gonna be a fun little thing I have to deal with again. Is that points on your license? God, I hate everything. It better not be. Probably is. I think all tickets are. I don't know how that works. Oh well, guess I should just accept my fate. I took it off though, this time for real. I took the tinted plate off. Just cause that cop likes to set at the four-way on my way home, and like, I don't know when he's gonna be there or whatever. But I'm not trying to get more tickets over something like that. I just took it off the car. It's not worth it. It was like a $10 tinted plate or whatever. I really want to fight it. Does anyone know how I can fight that? But like, it wasn't for ill intent or anything, and it's not like a camera can't read it. It's barely tinted. Anybody know any judges or cops that can get me out of this? Or at least does anyone know how much the ticket is? What's up, dude? But anyway, yeah, that concludes today's little rant. Unless I see any more idiots on the road. But I'm just headed out to lunch. I think I'm gonna go to Wendy's and give me some fat boy fast food. Nah, I mean, not even gonna lie, I like Wendy's a pretty good bit. Like, I don't eat there very often, but I like it. I'm not a huge fast food person, honestly. Like, I like the convenience of it, but I'm not one of those guys to be like, yeah, let's go out and get fast food just because I can. I don't like that. I mean, if that's you, all power to you. You know, unless you're like 650 pounds, in which case you probably should stop doing that. Road work ahead. I sure hope it does. Hi, everybody. So I went home and I came back out, obviously, and I got a letter in the mail. And guess what it was? Mandatory court appearance. So yeah, that's fantastic. The charge is like obstruction of plate. It wasn't obstructed. I hate everything. Oh well, it gives me a chance to go in there and talk to somebody, maybe get it reduced or dropped or whatever. That's so dumb. I'm so upset about that. Somebody hit me up before the end of October and tell me how to get out of this. That's dumb. I'm mad. I hate you. I'm just kidding. You're fine. Alright, well, that's it. Now I'll officially end this video. Goodbye! Always remember, if a cop pulls you over and tells you to fix something and you don't do it, you're probably gonna get a ticket next time he sees you. In which case, fight the system! Or pay the ticket, whatever. I'm not living your life.